The art of compliment. Have you ever felt that whenever you complimented someone, they always tend to think that you're lying or just joking? That is because you don't know about the art of compliment, and you are not familiar with the things that help you give genuine compliments to others. So why should you learn the art of compliment? Because it can help you achieve more than what you have now in life. It makes the people in your social group work more and work hard for your benefit because you gave them a genuine compliment. Suddenly, you can see that they are more loyal to you, and your benefit is more appreciated. One of the things that I learned from the book, How to Win Friends and Influence People, is that every person likes to be appreciated. If you appreciate and compliment a person, they will devote their life to gain that same level of appreciation from you repeatedly. Appreciation not only works for employees, but also works for spouses. If you compliment and appreciate your wife, you will quickly realize that it makes a great shift in your relationship. Your sex life improves, and you are treated right, all because of the art of compliment. Now that you are eager to learn about the art of compliment, I will teach you all of it. By following these simple steps, you will not only become more charismatic, but people will devote their lives to gain your compliment. Step 1. Keep your compliments short. The human mind is so sharp that it can differentiate between a genuine compliment and buttering in just split seconds. A genuine compliment comes from the heart and is only 1 to 2 sentences long. Anything longer than 2 sentences is considered buttering. For example, when I say, "I like you," notice how it feels genuine. Now, when I say, "I like you, you are fantastic and you are brilliant," notice how it has less effect than the first because it was long and did not feel genuine. So keep your compliments short. Step 2. Keep a calm face. When you give a compliment, you need to have some type of joy on your face because this indicates that you are really impressed with them. They will naturally tend to work hard to gain that same level of appreciation and see that joy on your face because they feel it is because of them. You need to be happy whenever you give a compliment, and it should reflect in your body language. Step 3. Don't give compliments too frequently. When it comes to giving compliments, many people make the mistake of giving them too frequently. This diminishes the value of your compliment. People need to earn your compliment and not just receive it for free. Humans don't value something that is free. When people earn your compliment, they will boast about it with others, creating a desire for others to work hard to earn your compliment. These simple steps, when followed, can provide you with a sense of loyalty and respect from those around you. They will always seek your appreciation because humans can never have enough appreciation. Now, I want you to not only give compliments to others, but to yourself as well. Say to yourself, "I appreciate the effort that I put into work, and today I am going to put in more effort." Through compliments, you can challenge yourself and the people in your social group to work harder and better for your benefit. As this video comes to an end, I want you to join me on this journey of dopamine-free learning. I want you to become successful and not to destroy your dopamine receptors in the process. So, subscribe and join me on the path of success.